In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Lightyear Frontier. Lightyear Frontier offers a thrilling space exploration experience with stunning visuals and immersive gameplay. So let's begin downloading and installation process. Firstly, you need Steam installed in your PC. I will leave video in description where I show how to install Steam and create account. When you are finished and logged in, go to Store and click on Search bar on left top. In search bar type Lightyear Frontier and in drop down you will see the game. If not, check video in description. If you see the game in drop down, click on the game. Right now this game is in early access stage. You can download demo version to try it out. As we can see, it only works on Windows. Now click on Add to Cart button. In new pop-up, click on View My Cart. Now in drop-down menu you have a few options. You can buy it privately so no data about this game is shown on your Steam profile, or even can gift this game to someone else. Let's leave this selection as it is. Now click on blue Continue to Payment button. In payment methods, select your preferred payment method and proct. After you're done with payment, next steps I will show with game I already own. Go to your library. You can use the search box to find game you just bought or navigate directly to the games category. Next step I will show on game I own. First, click on the game you want to play. Now click Install. Complete installation process. When installation completed, click to play, and that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful.